Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and in this video I am going to show you how to fix the connection issue for these earbuds. So for example, if one earbud is working and the other one is not working, so how to fix this issue? So I will show you three different methods. So let's start. The first method is by using this pairing button at the back side of charging case. So first of all, open the wearable app on your device. So I open the wearable app and now you have to insert your earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one, make sure they are properly connected. Now what you have to do, you have to leave the charging case open and at the back side you have this pairing button. You have to press and hold it for 10 seconds. So I will press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds and then you will see this LED light will start blinking in different colors, and then from your wearable app the earbuds are also get disconnected. Now you can leave this button. Now what you have to do, you have to close the charging case. So I will close the charging case for 3 seconds and then you have to open it again. So now I will open the charging case again and then you can see it will start getting connected by itself, and now you can see the earbuds are now connected with my device and they are also connected with the wearable app, and now you can use all of these features. So this is the first method. The second method is by doing the hard reset or factory reset. So first of all, open the wearable app and then insert your earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert the earbuds inside the charging case. Now what you have to do, in your wearable app you have to scroll down and here you can see we have this option of earbuds settings. So you can select this option and then here you can see we have this option of reset. So select this reset option and then here it will ask you again if you really want to reset. So I will select this reset option and now your earbuds will factory reset and they also get disconnected from the wearable app. So now you have to connect them back. So select this start option. You just have to wait for a few seconds and then from here select Galaxy Buds 3 and then it will start making the connection. So from here select this pair option and then they will start pairing with your device. So you just have to wait for a few seconds and then I will show you. So here you can see you have to select this continue option and here you can see it is saying you are all set. So now your earbuds are connected with the wearable app and now you can use all of these features. So this is the second method. The next method is by Bluetooth settings. So bring down this quick panel and press and hold this Bluetooth icon. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon and then from here select details. It will open the Bluetooth settings and here you can see my Buds 3 and here it is also showing you this settings icon. You can select this settings icon and then from here select disconnect. And then what you have to do, you have to select this unpair. Okay, select this unpair option from here and then select unpair again. So they will get disconnected from your device. Now you can turn off the Bluetooth. Now in the next step, you have to insert your earbuds inside the charging case. Okay, and then you have to turn on the Bluetooth. So now I will turn on the Bluetooth. Now it will show you the connection option. If it is not showing you the connection option, all you have to do, just close the charging case like this for 3 seconds and then you have to open it again. So I will open the charging case again, then it will show me the connection option like this. So here you can see, now you can select this connect option and now it will start making the connection with your earbuds. You just have to wait for a few seconds and now you can see the earbuds are now connected with my device and they are also connected with the wearable app. The next thing is, if you are still unable to see Buds 3 in your available devices, what you can do is just insert your earbuds inside the charging case like this and then you can use this pairing button. So press and hold this pairing button for 3 seconds. So I will press and hold this pairing button for 3 seconds, and then it will show you the connection option. So here you can see now it is showing me this connection option, and now I can select this connect from here, and then it will start making the connection with my device and with the wearable app. So here you can see Buds 3 are now connected with my device and they are ready to use. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.